What's up, you guys? It's your girl Foreverrena21.
And your girl Chanel.
And we back with another video. What's up?
With another video.
So on today's video, we are going to be doing a
Ipsy
versus
Ipsy.
Who got the better bag? I think mine lit. We don't know what's in each thing because we just opened it, basically. Because we both she got hers in when? Yesterday? 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
And I got mine in yesterday. It was on the counter in my house.
So
like you see,
just keep on watching.
Get it.
Bag looks like. And I'm going to just pull out my first item that's in the package. Ooh.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I like brushes.
So I got a tapered blending brush. And it's
Let me feel it.
soft.
Okay.
Blend, 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 blend.
Okay, so hold it up again. Let me see if I can zoom in while you hold it. Turn it.
Nice.
Talk to me nice. Okay, so what I got, so this how my bag came. So I have something in it right here. And this is the poreless peel. So this is how it looks. Poreless peel, baby. I like face masks, but I'm very particular about what I use because I really have sensitive skin. So this one says it controls oil and keeps skin moisturized, balanced, and cleaning and calming pores, which is good because I have like a lot of pores on my face, which I do not like. But yeah, I will try this and I will do like a video. We will do a video on what we got in our Ipsy bag, a separate video. So this is the first thing that I got in my bag.
I wish I got that.
She wanted that, but I got it. Maybe if she got something else good, we could trade.
Okay, so next we're gonna pull out our bags.
So we both have the same identical bags, but we don't know what we have in our bag because we literally just opened the package. So it looks like a postcard to me. It's cute.
Really, it's nice.
The one thing I like about Ipsy bag is that you can use this as little clutches. You know, if you go to the club or you go to the gym, or you can use this like as your feminine, like a feminine pouch if you don't want people out of your business. If you're in high school or middle school, you know, you can keep your napkins or tampons in here. I didn't want to say pads. I try to like clean it up.
Last month, Ipsy, I didn't like the bag. It was ugly.
Yeah, that butterflies.
Yeah,
I wasn't feeling that one.
But okay, so my first product I'm gonna pull out.
We always get these postcards, but I don't read it.
Shut.
Shoot.
So the first thing is first. I have a Neon and Co hair scalp mask. So I'm gonna be swatching things, but I'm not gonna swatch this one.
Cause you're not about to put it in her hair.
It's just like a facial, only for your hair. So I'm gonna try this one out because I don't use a lot of different things in my hair, but I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. So I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna. So the first thing I pull out is a Lord and Berry lip crayon.
Ooh.
And it is in the color Spice, cause you know I'm spicy.
Spicy?
So, it's spicy. So this how it looks. Oh, it's very creamy. Do y'all see that? Look at it. It glides.
That's nice.
Okay, this is nice. And it's nude. I really like nudes. I'm not very big on color. So it is by Lord and Berry.
What's the color?
Spicy.
Oh, spicy.
Cause I'm
You
spicy.
just said spicy. I'm sorry.
I'm spicy. So this, I like this. So this is okay. Plus. Yes, sir.
Okay.
What you got?
Next. Ooh.
Ooh.
Then, I got a felt tip. This is the travel size. By Ico London. Is that how you say it?
I got that.
Ico London. Yes. Now we're gonna swatch this bad boy.
What color is it in?
It's in.
I think it's on.
No, blind.
Let me see. It's in the color carbon black.
Oh, ooh, thank you, girl.
And I can't even see you.
We're gonna swatch it. Oh.
Ooh. I love jet black. I don't like those, like
Ooh,
the
that's
charcoal
gonna
ones.
be good on my when I do my smoky out with a wing liner.
Okay. So out of all three things, which thing you like which is your what's your top one?
Oh, well, I don't know. I still got some stuff.
No, I'm talking about these three.
Oh, I don't. It's between these two. I love new brushes.
Okay, so this next one is by, it don't really say the name. I guess it say Fab. First in Beauty Fab, y'all. First a repair hydrating serum. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't put a lot of stuff on my face, so I can already tell y'all that I'm not gonna use this. So our manager, she can have this because I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna keep it all the way 100. I'm not gonna use this. So it says replenish, smooth, and soften, safe for sensitive skin, which is a plus for me because I do have sensitive skin, but I'm also very paranoid, and I'm not gonna use it. So you can have it. Yeah, that's enough for me. Next.
Okay, let's see. Ooh.
Ooh.
I love Oprah. I said Oprah. Oprah. I love Oprah too.
She love
I got an
Shout out to
Oprah long-lasting liquid lipstick called. It's collab with Ipsy. It's called Unzip.
Unzip.
And I'ma swatch it to see what it's about.
What that do? What that mouth do? I'm
Let's
saying
see.
what you put on your mouth with it. No mind.
Ooh.
That kind of remind me of this. Like, let's see. Well,
Them two probably a mix though. Put it down. Ooh,
that look good.
you see it? It's pretty.
One on the outside and then that color in the inside.
Mm-hmm. That's real pretty. But
Yeah.
so this is a collab.
I hear
with
somebody on
Ipsy.
YouTube do that. She used the liquid lipstick around her lip and then put concealer on the inside.
Okay, next item, boo. Let's see what you got.
Okay, the next item is by I can't pronounce it. I'm not going to butcher it. Okay, it is a milk. I guess it's for your hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, basically, which is a plus because I like leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I got T-Rex arms, okay? So it's a leave-in conditioner, which I really like leave-in conditioners. I want to smell it. We go smell it because I'm not going to spray it. I mean, it's alright. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Can you smell it? It smell like soap.
Kind of stank.
Yeah, okay, it smell like cheap soap.
Next, like,
Okay, and my last item is by Basics. Beauty Basics. And
basically,
it is a foil eyeshadow in the color taupe. Satin taupe.
the color is satin.
Okay, let me take it out the packaging so we can see my nails. So. Ooh, this is what the color looks like.
And that's a full size look like it to me.
It is, and I'm finna swatch it. Let's see.
This girl crazy.
Let's see.
It look good. I don't know how it look, but I can't see. Let me see.
Ooh. I know what I'm gonna do with
Put
this.
some on me. Let me see. That look nice.
I
It
know.
kind of low key can be like a highlight.
I know what I'm gonna do with that.
It look good.
I'm gonna do me a halo eye and put that in the center.
So that's your last thing in your bag.
That's my last thing. Box bag is I'm from box.
You
Bag
got
is
some little
empty.
plastic.
It came from this.
So the last thing in, I'm sorry, y'all. The last thing in my bag is a beauty blender.
What? That's a beauty blender? Or the real deal Holyfield?
I know it's nice though. Look. And it also got that little crease in it so you can get in like the corners. This is not a beauty blender, but it looked like a beauty blender, okay? So it's an imitated beauty blender, so. Hold on. Who is it by?
What they say?
What does that say? Because you know I can't see.
That's
So I have something like a beauty blender. So I really like these because I have a lot of them. And it's good if you're doing makeup on somebody and you don't want to use your own personal, which I would never use my own personal like beauty blender or anything on nobody else's face. But this is good. Like I'm not gonna open this because I have a lot of these already. So because I get Ipsy bags a lot, but I never got one of these from this Shabbat or Shamissy Glam. But we gonna try it on somebody's face. But I'm gonna save it.
Do it seem soft?
Yeah, it's really soft, and I really like this part. Like it got like a flat piece, so you can get all in the corners when you're doing your concealer and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna try this on somebody and we're gonna tell you how it is. But that's the last thing in our Ipsy bag. This is it.
So that was everything in our Ipsy bag. And comment down below if and tell us which Ipsy bag you like the most. Do you like Forever's Ipsy bag or do you like Chanel's Ipsy bag?
I feel like my Ipsy bag was good. What I would use out of there, I would use probably 2 out of 5. I would use this and I would use this. All this other stuff, I'm not gonna lie, I will not use this.
And me,
like,
I would use
so basically
4 out of 5.
So
basically my whole
bag was shabam.
It was shabapping.
So I feel like her bag was, my personal opinion, her bag was better than mine because she have a lot of useful things. She have like, this is like a whole shalook.
Exactly.
And I don't have nothing. Like, come on, Ipsy, like, y'all could have gave me some better stuff. Like, I'm kind of disappointed in my bag. I'm not going to be like, you already know when your girl do reviews, she can get a true tea. And I don't like my Ipsy bag.
I love my Ipsy bag. What? I do.
Mine was shellac.
I like my last one Ipsy bag too. I got some good stuff. I got a brush too last one. Concealer brush. But the packaging was ugly.
This can sugar.
No, I like
I'm about to ship it back. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe
to our channel. Leave your comments down below. Like,
run it up. Run it up.
Give us some thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the post notification so you can get our videos every time we upload. And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
I'm sweet.